Guys, look at this crazy dog. I showed him this string yesterday. He didn't let go of it. I had to fix it twice already. Oh, there's like black thing on it. Tape. Ow. He's strong. If you find this funny, please comment it. Oh my god. Look at him. Get it. Get it, you idiot. Come here. Flip. Gosh. He's actually... My other dog's inside. Wait, he's gonna... No! I dropped. Ow! He gave me burn. No, stop. I need to chase him just to get it back. Give it me. Oh, hey, Kevin. Give it me. Oh my gosh. I'm just running around in circles. What are we doing now? No more circles. Oh. No, not circles. I got him. No, I don't. Kevin. You guys, so this is what happens when you give him a piece of rope, whatever, tissue. Whatever you give him, he will take it. And you'll never get it back. I have a Smurf toy. Let's see if he goes for this. No. No, that's not food. Oh. No. Oh, I better get off the grass with my crocs. I'm gonna destroy them. They're gonna be green. How will I get this away from this dog? No! Guys, if this is funny, comment down below. If you want more, and comment fun. And if you want more, please subscribe and like the video. Look at this dog. Running and running and running. We're running and running and running. Running and running and running. Running and running and running. Yeah, I can't do this anymore. So, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And look at this dog. He's crazy. This is my tactic. Just step on it. And I got him trapped. Finally, I got it. Yes. If you did like this video... Oh, I got it off him. Sheesh. Take it. I don't want to lose my hand. That's that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you. And tomorrow I'll probably give you a news flash after school. What's happened to this dog? Bye.